A few months ago, our Member of Parliament, Honourable Marci Ien, came to visit us at Heart2Heart First Aid and CPR Services. Just days before her visit, we received news about a significant community service initiative, and now I'm eager and truly honored to share this exciting project with our community. In partnership with the Canadian Red Cross's Opioid Harm Reduction Program, Heart2Heart CPR will now offer free opioid poisoning training and Naloxone kits to anyone who wants one within our communities. Anybody who wants a Naloxone kit is going to come to Heart2Heart, do training, and then at the end, we're going to distribute Naloxone. So Heart2Heart is now officially an opioid education Naloxone distribution center.
Which is excellent.
For the community here.
For the community right here. When people come in for this training, how long do you want them to be with you?
What a great question.
Right, but what is the optimum?
We are going to meet the person where they're at.
Okay.
And so if they are, someone who is like experiencing homelessness and they only have like 5 minutes,
right,
then we'll do a 5-minute training session. While we are committed to meeting people where they are at, Heart2Heart CPR is pleased to offer scheduled virtual training sessions led by an instructor, as well as in-person classroom training. We will roll out this program across various Heart2Heart locations, starting at our headquarters in downtown Toronto. We are also prioritizing outreach initiatives to reach underserved populations most at risk of witnessing or experiencing opioid poisoning. In actively working to dismantle the stigma associated with substance use, our ultimate goal is clear: ensure no one uses drugs alone without someone trained and equipped with a Naloxone kit nearby. We firmly believe that with the support of family, friends, coworkers, and peer interventions, we can significantly reduce opioid-related fatalities. And this is our ultimate mission. For more information about our free community program or to schedule a virtual, in-person, or group training session, please visit us at www.heart2heartcpr.com/OHR.